It's no secret that traveling this summer was more chaotic than in years past. But how will travel around Thanksgiving, one of the busiest flying seasons in the US, look this year? In the summer, air travel was hugely impacted by understaffing amid COVID-19 pandemic, causing flight cancellation and delays along with lost baggage and an overall traveling experience. To ease the stress around traveling during this Thanksgiving season, we at iVisa are giving you the 5 most important travel tips to make your holiday season easier and stress-free. At iVisa.com, we know that sometimes the most stressful part of international travel is just figuring out how to enter a country. With confusing government forms, slow bureaucratic processes, and ever-changing global health requirements, obtaining the right travel documents can be a huge hassle. iVisa.com is dedicated to providing customers with a simple, fast, and reliable way to get travel documentation for their journey. Our online application process makes getting visas, health declarations, or passport photos a breeze, and all from the comfort of your own home. Probably my favorite part. As a leading independent company in the travel documentation industry, we are proud to make global travel more accessible for everyone. Just check the link in the description to download our free app or scan it right here. Now let's get started with those 5 Thanksgiving travel tips. Arrive at the airport early. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you would not believe how many people actually arrive at the airport really close to their boarding time. While passenger air travel volumes are still below the pre-pandemic levels, AAA Travel predicts 53 million Americans will travel by air, 4.2 million, or car, 48.3 million, to dine with friends and family. That's only 5% below the 2019 Thanksgiving travel volume. Flying at Thanksgiving is always hectic due to the short travel window and the threat of early winter weather, travel delays. It's best to arrive at least 2 hours before your flight, 3 for international flights, so you have plenty of time to pass through airport security. Expedited airport security credentials like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Clear can help you get through airport security quicker. However, recent reports have shown that even these services have long queues that are causing delays. To skip the standard line, make sure your boarding pass displays your certification. Travel on non-peak days. As more people can work remotely, it might be easier to arrive early or stay late if you have sufficient working conditions like reliable internet and a work desk. And in plus, traveling on no peak days will also translate into cheaper flights. Wednesday afternoon before Thanksgiving can be the busiest time to fly or drive. The Sunday after Thanksgiving may also have above average congestion on the roads and at the airport for people coming home from a long weekend. Depending on your schedule, you might be able to travel a few days early or stay longer to avoid the busiest Thanksgiving travel days. For example, you might try to arrive on Monday or Tuesday instead. Or maybe you can go home on Monday instead once the work week is back. Speed things up during security checkups. While you cannot control the speed of the people in front of you, you can still speed things up for yourself when it comes to passing through security at the airport. TSA have a great response rate on their Twitter account. Here you go. So if you have any questions about what you can and cannot take with you on your flight, just ask them directly. And now that you know what you can and can't bring through security, don't act like a rookie. Know the rules to speed things up. Have your shoes, belt, anything metal, including coins, wallet, phone, packed away in your bag or in the pockets of your jacket, and just put them all on the conveyor belt. If everyone knows the drill, you won't have to wait so long. Pack your meals and extra snacks. Airlines cut back on complimentary snacks and drinks and items for sale early in the pandemic to reduce interactions between flight attendants and passengers. And many have been slow to resume service. While some airlines are slowly reintroducing small snacks, drinks, especially alcohol, are still not being served on flights. With in-flight food limited and airport lines long and some concessions still closed, the best option for hungry travelers is to bring their own food. Sneaking this miniature bottles of booze or an alcoholic beverage from the airport onto the plane is not allowed. However, FAA regulations prohibit passengers from drinking alcohol on board the aircraft unless it is served by the airline. If your travel budget is also a little leaner than usual because of the pandemic, bringing your food is also an easy way to save money. Plus, you know what you're eating and drinking instead of potentially settling with a less desirable meal if your favorite restaurant isn't available. Don't pack too many bags. As more airlines begin charging for checked luggage, it might be a really smart idea to pack light. Try and fit all the things you'll need into a carry-on bag. A word to the wise. This smart idea might occur to most of your fellow passengers too. Overhead space might run out, so keep your bag really small and look unbelievingly at your teensy-weensy little bag when asked to check it in. It's been known to work. Or you might want to think even smarter and ship some of your belongings, the ones you don't need every day, ahead of time. These are our 5 most important Thanksgiving travel tips. In terms of documentation, make sure you visit iVisa.com or scan the code to download our app to have stress-free travel along with all your documents. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this type of content, give this video a like and share it with your friends and family so their Thanksgiving travel is stress-free too. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified every time we post a new video. This is Dalma, your cool travel expert, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.